These larger leaves around the outside, I'm just gonna throw them off, put them on top of the compost. I will keep a couple leaves. Let's put those aside now, because that makes a nice lid for the sauerkraut when it's in the jar, and it helps to keep the mass of the shredded cabbage underneath the surface of the brine. And now, as usual, onwards to the scales of truth, the scales of victory. Looks like we have about 4 pounds of cabbage here, all told, which is great. Hit the link if you want to know how to make it into sauerkraut. Now these I'm excited about. It's the Ozette potato. They're delicious, kind of like a waxy fingerling type potato. The story of this potato is that it came directly from South America via Spanish settlers before this part of the world was colonized by the British. And it was grown by the Coast Salish and the Haida, otherwise known as the Haida potato, as a production crop. But unlike all the other potatoes that we're familiar with, it didn't go to Europe first. And it wasn't tinkered with there and didn't pick up a bunch of viruses there. So very vigorous. This is real wealth when we have genetic diversity in our cultivated ecologies. So I'll start to prepare the bed with a simple weeding, and you'll see that I've actually got the potato plants containerized ahead of time in order to fit them into this tight rotation.